So the question here is, why do we need to measure the cost of quality? And as I earlier said, that it's not a very easy thing to classify these costs into these four categories and maintain that. It's not easy. There is no common accounting standard for these things, but these things still can be maintained at a high level. Any external cost, any major cost, you can really maintain that and see where you are spending more. The reason to do that would be, first thing is that management understand the language of money. So management really might not be interested in into the very detailed parts of each of these quality aspects, but management would always be interested in knowing about money. Management would be interested in seeing that how do we avoid cost, how do we make money. So you can make money by avoiding all those big failures which could happen internally or externally, and for that, as a quality professional or as an employee, you have a justification that the money spent on improving or preventing activities is still a good investment, because that investment can help you in reducing those failure costs. And you might want to use these costs to set the target to reduce your cost, to reduce costs related to internal and external failure by investing more in appraisal and prevention. So this completes our discussion on the cost of quality.